Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how to activate free content games. So first of all we need to have a Discord account. When you have already created a Discord account, we go down to the description of the video and copy the following link. We copy the link and paste it in our favorite browser. They enter the server. The server is called Project Lighting. And when they are already inside the server, and they have verified, they go to the bottom left. And where it says App Updates, they click, and all the versions of the program that we need will appear. So we click on Download. And we give Continue. We open the link. And it will give us a file. If it is detected as a virus, the only thing you have to do is deactivate the antivirus. Deactivate the antivirus, that this program does not have a virus. Open it. We open the file. We give Yes. We give Install. Install, Dex, install, and we install the program. I do not install it because I already have it installed. When you install the program, the only thing you have to do is go to the desktop and open the program. Something like this will appear. When the program is open, they go to the top left. And we are interested in the section where it says Bypass. We enter there. And now we go to where it says Stop. And all the current games will appear that have the option to play for free. Then we select any game, for example this one, and below to the left, it tells us the method of how we should run the program. Below to the left it tells us how to run the game. If it is by Steam, if it is by Antu.exe file, it depends. Then, to be able to activate the game, the only thing we have to do is go to Steam. We open Steam. We go to Library. And we right-click on the game we want to activate. Right-click, Properties. And we give it where it says Installed Files. Now, we go to the top right. And where it says Browse, and it will take us to the root folder of the game. Then, in this white part above, we give it a click. And the only thing we do is press the Control key plus the C key. Control plus C. And when you have already copied like this, we go back to the program. And we give it where it says Browse. We go back to the program. And we give it where it says Applifix. We give it a click. And a window will pop up. Then, we give it a click here. And we give it Control plus V. And we give it Enter. Then, it will take us to the root folder. And the only thing you have to do is give it the select folder. Give it the select folder. And it will start to download everything you need to activate the game. We wait. It takes a maximum of 5 minutes. It does not take long. It takes very little. We wait. We wait. And a window will pop up that says, "Game ready to play." We give it OK. And now, we can run our game. We can play it. Here it appears to me that I still cannot. I need to update it. I need to update it. But we will have the game activated to play it. Video with pleasure. Greetings to all. Subscribe and like if it was helpful. And goodbye.